Hello and welcome to the MSAR training session for defining the accession number generation rule for libraries. By this rule, you will be able to configure that whether the accession number that gets generated across multiple libraries will be same for a media or will be following two different series, etc. So let us see the steps to define the same. Click on button M star and select Module Library. The name of the module appears on the main screen, which means that you're now working in the library module. Click on button Business Rules and select the screen Accession Number Generation Rule. As the screen opens, you will see 4 rows. Each row is a different rule. The first rule means generate accession number library wise, which means that if there are multiple libraries that exist in the school, then for each library the accession number series will be distinct and separate. So every library will have independent accession number sequence and the accession number will be continuous across all media categories. That means if CDs, textbooks, etc. are there as different media categories, and if this option is selected, then for that library a sequential accession number will be assigned to all media across different categories. The accession number that we refer to here is the school accession number. If this rule is active, then click on the button No and it becomes Yes by default. This means that this rule is now applicable. The next rule, generate accession number library wise and media category wise. This means that every library will have its independent accession number and each media category within the library will also have independent accession number series. So in case if we have books, CDs, etc., then within a library all books will have one sequential accession number and all CDs will have another sequential accession number, and the other library will have an independent series also. Again, to make this as applicable, click on No and it becomes Yes. So out of these, only one rule is applicable at one point of time. The next rule, generate accession number across library. This means a continuous accession number will be created across library and media category. There will be only one unique accession number in the whole school across all libraries. So in junior library, a book will have 1, and in senior library, another book will have 2. Then if there is a CD in junior library entered after the book 1 and book 2, it will have the accession number as 3. So it will be continuous across libraries and media categories. In case you want to make this as Yes, again click on No against the row and it becomes Yes. That means it becomes active or applicable. The last rule is generate accession number across library and media category. This means that a continuous accession number across library for the same media category will be generated. There will be only one unique accession number within each media category across all libraries. So, for one media category book in junior library as well as central library, the number will be continuous. Whereas for the next media category, for example CD, the sequence will be continuous across two libraries. So to make this rule as applicable, click on No and it becomes as Yes, which means applicable. By default, when you open the screen for the first time, the status against all these rules is No and the applicable status has to be clicked and made as Yes. So make the applicable rule as applicable and click on button Save. As you click on the button Save, the data saving confirmation message will be received. But remember that this rule has to be created as the first step before entering any media. Once you have entered the media, it will not allow to update or create this rule. Also, the rule is irrespective of the library selected. That is, the rule as defined becomes applicable to all libraries defined in the application. Based on the accession number rules defined, you will be able to decide the format of school accession number across libraries. Thank you for watching this video.